So, service reset for W213 E-Class. First, you go to the first ignition, just the first one. It brings up this pop-up menu. Then it's on the mileage here, right? So what you do next is you press and hold the home button and the menu button. So while you press that, you double press the menu button twice. So go one, go slowly. Yep, it's not on. Okay, we got it on now. So and twice, and then we have the service menu here, which we then scroll down and go to the Assist Plus. And from the Assist Plus, switch on ignition to activate the Assist Plus. So we got switch on the ignition. There we go. So on, so we go to full service set, then confirm service, then rate 229.5, and oil grade, blah blah, and yes, and you confirm. Info service is carried out. You can start your vehicle and see if it will bring out that message for service. So so now, as you can see, the service is now service A exceeded. Oh, what the hell is? As you can see now, after the service has been reset, we now have workshop code 516, then service code 8, and remaining time is now 365 days. Initially it was showing it's exceeded by 50 days, so now it's showing remaining 365 days, which is remaining 28,400 kilometers. No, 28,400 kilometers. So you're good to go. You can start your vehicle now, and voila. So here it is. Yes, yeah. You feel that?
Car size for that.
Feel that? So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to share this video. Peace.